Hey there guys, we are here in downtown Nashville and we are gonna scoot until we die. Okay, scoot life, hashtag scoot life, hashtag 2019, hashtag epic gamer style, hashtag why is there caution tape? Probably somebody, that's probably a crime scene from the last scooter crash. Scooters, they're here, and they're probably in a city near you. Now, in all seriousness, if you have not seen these things, pretty much there's these electronic scooters all over the place now. And it started last year, but this is really the year of the testament of these things. This is really where things are going to start really hitting the fan, okay? About last year, I saw that there was like 1 or 2 brands of scooters around, because I live here in Nashville, so downtown, there was quite a few. I know that they're all over the place, New York, LA. In theory, they're a great idea. They really help with transportation around the city. Pretty much they're like an Uber or a Lyft, except for it's an electric scooter that you're driving all over the place. Just like anything starting out, it's pretty much the Wild West right now when it comes to scooters. I mean, there is no regulation on these things at all. I've been seeing things where there's been certain rules coming out. I've heard people anecdotally tell me, you're supposed to drive them in the road. You're not supposed to drive them in the road. You're supposed to only drive them on the sidewalk. No, you're not supposed to drive them on the sidewalk. You can hit people. I mean, nobody freaking knows what's going on with these things. And every time I turn around, there's a new brand. You got Bird, you got Lime, you got Lyft, you got Uber, you got Spin. I don't know what it is with scooters. But when there was that big thing with the foldable scooters back in the 90s where every kid had them, there was always there was like a million different brands of those scooters, and it seems like it's happening all over again. I never thought that in my lifetime I would see 2 scooter revolutions. So they're helpful, they're fun, they help keep the traffic down. So there are some really good applications, but of course, for every good application, there's always... Yeah, these scooters pretty much run all night long in Nashville. You can get a DUI on these scooters, but that doesn't stop people. Regulation's coming soon, I'm almost certain of that, but until it does.
1 week after Bird scooters land in Milwaukee, the city takes legal action to get rid of the electric ride. The lawsuit states the scooters are illegal and a public nuisance. The city wants a temporary injunction to have the scooters removed immediately.
I try to show off. It's all right. You okay? Yeah. See, I try to show off.
I love the guy. Oh, Howie. He looks like a Howie. Man, that poor car. So I gotta say, when you're riding these things around, I mean, people hate you. Every old person is like, oh, all these young people ride these scooters around. Oh, you have to zoom by people. It just makes me wonder when these scooters become more well adopted, there's gonna be people all over the freaking sidewalks and roads. How is it gonna work?
Excuse me. Oh. Are you okay? I'm sorry, you guys didn't look. I couldn't turn. You guys walked out too late. I apologize.
Oh my god. Oh, that was cringy as hell. But like, that was caught on camera. You know this happens day to day. Like every day someone's getting freaking hit with a scooter.
Oh.
Is this the same guy?
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no, dude, you're gonna make her hip go out, bruh. These dang kids and they're scooting and they're scoopers. Scoot till I die. Scoot till I die. Scoot till I die. Oh. What? What? Oh no! No! All right, so basically I looked into this about 4 months ago. You can charge these scooters, and this dude got really carried away with it. Basically, you can make money, so for every time you charge a scooter, these cops are like, what the hell?
Cause any issues? I mean, I
understand.
have no... Okay,
But if these things start flying off, you know what I mean? They're not tied down. They're not being held. You're using gravity. See, they're already coming down. Step on over. I mean, dude, they're not. Okay. Over here. Let's come on the sidewalk.
Dude, this bruh is just trying to get jacked. Just trying to freaking charge some scooters, bruh. Some scooters fly out. You know, that's just collateral damage, okay? What's more important here, okay? Scoot for life.
And as I turn the corner, that's really fast to turn a corner on a little scooter. So when I turned the corner, instead of turning into the right-hand lane, I ended in the left-hand lane because I was going too fast. And
this woman has a crazy ability to just smile the whole time while she talks.
It cost me a lot of money. My scooter ride was $1.38, but my ER bill is probably going to be at least a couple $1,000s. That will be my last scooter ride.
How considerate, dude? Because, okay, these scooters are carrying people around all day freaking long. So my hat is off to you, dude. Giving the scooters a ride for a change. Letting them know what it feels like. Oh my god.
Confiscation.
That is hell. That is literally hell. Why is there a Hulu bike? What does that mean?
So, the scooters are not allowed on the sidewalk. It's a sidewalk. You can ride them in the street, but not on the sidewalk. Sorry about that. Don't want to spoil your fun, but it's been dangerous.
Well, you know what? You spoiled the fun, man. Okay?
Okay, the bird is a big problem at LAX. It came in the scanner as an unattended item. The K9 was called in, and the K9 is here. We call in for a supervisor. Got 4 cops on this unattended bird here at Tom Bradley National. K9, there he goes. K9 showing up.
Oh my god, guys. This is the next epidemic. This is how the world ends, okay? Scooters are going to bring about the next apocalypse. Did you see this footage?
Unattended bird.
Sorry about that. Don't want to spoil your fun, but it's been dangerous.
That will be my last scooter ride.
That's it. That's all I freaking need, okay? Scooters are dangerous, but I live for danger. I've been doing the wrong thing on YouTube, okay? Like, just making, like, reaction videos? What was I thinking? I've been wondering what my true calling has been my whole life, and now I know. To be the most epic scooter of all time. Scooter fails, epic scooter fails, not this guy. You guys ready? You guys ready to be epic with me? Let's go scoot till we die. The epic style. Styling and profiling. It's time to find a scoot. All right, looks like the Limicator says that there is 3 that way. No, that. I don't know, let's just go find some. Scoot. This is my sign, I did this. Scoot life, okay? 2019, can't handle it. Okay, where are these scooters?
We've got the app.
Dude, we've been walking for like a minute. I thought they were supposed to give me, hang on. Hang on, I just need a second. Dude, turn that off. For real, turn it.
He's holding me hostage. I didn't agree to shoot this video. He has my family.
What's up? Yeah, no, dude, Scoot Life 2019. Check it out.
Already gaining fans.
Yeah, guys, okay. So we're gonna find an epic scooter, okay? But before we do, can we get like 50,000 likes? Okay, no, 25,000 likes. I've got to be more real. Can we get 10 likes? I will not get on a scooter till this video gets 10 likes. I know, I haven't even uploaded it yet. I haven't even edited it yet. But we need to get, can we just get some likes? Crikey, look at that, right there. And
natural habitat. Whoa, looks like some powerful Sheilas. Well, come on, fella, come on, blokes, let's go check them out. Are you guys ready for this epic video to begin? Well, I have to scan the scooter first. Alright guys, this is the new look for 2019, okay? So we got the fanny pack, and it's really nice, okay? Get it on fatpar.com, very nice. You can put all your things in there, okay? This is just the new epic look. If you want to look like an epic gamer, if you want to look like me, if you want to be super epic, okay, the timer's running on this, so I gotta.
Are you gonna do it?
Yeah, dude, I'm here. This is epic, okay? But I just, this is why you wore the gear. Ready? Oh. She almost hit me. Oh my god. This is way more epic than I thought, guys. Okay? I am definitely gonna need more lights. I can see what these articles are talking about, man. These are dangerous. Wait, what? You're supposed to... Epic. That guy's epic. He's not even wearing any gear. Alright, that's it. I didn't know they did that.
You done?
Yeah.
You came out here to make this whole video and you're done after what, we've been recording for 5 minutes?
I don't want to film this anymore.
Why?
It's just too dangerous.
Robo.
Just think about all the problems in the world right now, and when I'm like riding a scooter.
Well, yeah, but the scooters are one of the good things.
She can't know this. Scoot Life, Epic Scooters 2019. Check it out. I don't think she knew. That's a love connection right there. Guys, I'm so sorry, dude. I almost just lost it, man. But I forgot. I'm out here to be epic, okay? I'm out here to be epic style. So, and profile. So, we're gonna do this, okay? We're gonna scoot. I'm gonna scoot till I die. I can do it! I can do it! Alright guys, I think it's time. I built up my confidence. I'm ready to do this. It's time for an epic scooter montage. But just remember, don't try these at home, okay? Because I have the skills, I have the knowledge, okay? I rode this for 10 minutes, okay? Not everybody is prepared like me. Not everybody has their goggles on, okay? You think she's ready? No, because she doesn't have her goggles on. She doesn't have her helmet on, okay? So don't try this at home. Just remember, be safe.
Oh, there he comes.
Now, what most people don't think about when they're out scooting is you don't know how long you're going to be out here scooting.
You can see the sun. Look at the sun. It's all big and shiny in the shy.
So when that happens, it's really important. Most people look at them. You look around and they're not wearing backpacks. They're not ready. Oh my God. I've been waiting for this all day. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
You guys ready? But before I get these out, okay, can we smash that subscribe button? Can we get subscribes? What up? Total snackage, because you're gonna get hungry. Wait. Oh my God. You gotta. Oh, you gotta get in there. Oh. And that's where the big pocket comes in.
Oh, I see.
This way you can scoot and snack at the same time. Most people are not thinking. They're just not thinking, you know? That's why I'm always prepared. Yeah, so good. This is a good idea. Most people don't think about it. You need some sustenance when you're on the road. You have to. God, this is so good. God, it's good. Oh. Which reminds me, we're gonna go ahead and stop and have some snacks. That way we can just get back on the road and get scooting again. What's up? Scoot life. And see, they're not prepared. They don't have their backpacks on. Chips!
What you got there?
We got a nice cola. Guys, just remember, you know, you always want to bring snacks, you know? Oh no. That's okay. Like Mama used to make. Oh goodness. That's so good. Oh. Scoot life.
It's way over there. I finally got rid of him. I'm serious when I say that. I didn't agree to do this video. It's not a joke. You guys haven't seen me yet. Let me show you me. Anyways, my name is Matthew. I didn't agree to this video. I'm frightened. I'm quite frightened by him. Quite frightened by him. I don't really know what to do. He has my family. He has my kids. He has what matters to me most. My helmet. Dang, man.
Alright guys, we came, we saw, we scooted, okay? a few safety tips, okay? Always remember to wear your protective gear, okay? Always remember to bring your fanny pack. Where are you gonna put your stuff otherwise? Always remember to bring a backpack. Where are you gonna put your potato chips and soda pops? Just basic stuff, okay? If you wanna be epic like me, then you'll listen to old Papa RobaFett, okay? On the real, these things are dangerous as hell. And my true opinion about them is, please try them out while they're legal, because they're gonna make these things illegal really soon. There's like no regulation on these things at all, and they're all over the freaking place. There's like 6 different brands of them just here in Nashville alone.
Hey there guys, thank you so much for watching. Seriously, these scooters are really fun, but at the end of the day, there's no way they're still gonna be around. At least not in the form that they are right now. I wanna give a quick shout out to Pocket Pioneers for my ridiculously epic t-shirt with my giant pocket. They have some beautiful designs over there. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but I did discover their website and I did order one of their shirts and I am thoroughly enjoying it. So please, I will leave a link to their website down in the description box below, so please go over and check them out. They have got some epic shirts over there. Scoot for life, scoot till you die.
Stay epic.
Hey there guys, thank you for watching to the end of the video, and I want to give a special shout out to all the people who have subscribed recently. The channel's growing, but it couldn't have happened without you, so I really appreciate you guys. I hope that you continue to watch, and as always, stay awesome, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next video.